Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to share a document on Dropbox quickly and easily, with the most up-to-date steps for 2025. Whether you're collaborating on a project or sending a file to a friend, Dropbox makes sharing simple and secure. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. If you haven't already signed in, enter your login details to access your account. Once you're inside, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized in your Dropbox home screen. Next, navigate to the document you want to share. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top of the app to find it faster. When you've located the document, look for the three dots icon next to its name. This icon opens the File Options menu. Tap those three dots and a list of actions will appear. From there, select the option labeled Share. This is where Dropbox gives you a few different ways to send your file. You can invite people directly by email, or if you prefer more flexibility, you can create a shareable link instead. To generate a link, tap Copy Link. Dropbox will instantly create a secure link to your document and copy it to your clipboard. From here, you can paste it anywhere. Send it by text, email, or share it through your favorite messaging or social app. It's that simple. If you want more control over access, Dropbox also lets you adjust sharing settings before sending. You can choose whether others can edit or only view the file, set expiration dates for the link, or even add a password for extra protection. And that's it. You've now shared your document from Dropbox in just a few taps. It's fast, reliable, and perfect for keeping your work and collaborations running smoothly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, remember to check out our other tutorials to get the most out of your Dropbox experience. Thanks for watching.